I'm Mackenzie, and this is the Squalane Plus Omega Repair Cream. This is the ultimate moisturizer for dry skin. Have you ever walked off an airplane and felt like your skin was super dry and tight? I have too, and this is the moisturizer I use to fix it whenever my skin feels super dry. A good moisturizer is all about texture, and it's all about repairing that moisture barrier. This is a rich, decadent texture, almost like it's whipped, but when you apply it, it's not greasy or heavy at all. It repairs your moisture barrier, which can get thrown out of whack from pollution, not drinking enough water, or even using harsh products like cleansers. So this has squalane and ceramides, hyaluronic acid, all amazing ingredients to replenish that lost hydration. But the omega fatty acids are those plumping moisture molecules that work from the inside out. It feels incredible because I do have normal to dry skin, so I love using this as my nighttime moisturizer, but you can use it in the daytime as well. I just take a little bit and I apply it to my face, my cheeks, my forehead, my nose, and my neck and chest. Then I take time to massage, and I really enjoy melting this rich texture into my skin. This product is completely fragrance-free, making it a great option for sensitive skin. And like all Biossance products, it's vegan and cruelty-free. I am so excited for you guys to try this.